AMPATI TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla James PK Sangma ka sngi ba ar jong ka hnyo tri ko bana jilleo arajar ar ule atho ba ka jingshong helicopter ka jong ka dai ne ka benta ban shim benta ka jing play ya ka 132 kV substation ha ka shnong Ampati ha Southwest Garo Hills district ule atho ba ka ni ka dai ka official program ha ka bala sanran lang ya da chairman cum managing director ubarim jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Shushu uliyatho ka helicopter kala poi sa Ampati kamchim lala asatya ban hiar khando nakadaw ka jingthot jong ka sun beneng bat kumta kela haban wan pai no.
The chopper program was basically an inauguration of the 132 kV substation at Ampati. However, the helicopter took off and we could not land, and this was an official program. And this was a program wherein I was supposed to inaugurate it and was supposed to also, I was accompanied by the CMD, then CMD of MeECL. However, we could not land there and we had to come back because of bad weather. So this is something that, of course, we are discussing with the transport department as to see how we can take care of this. We live in a democracy, you know, and everyone has fundamental rights, you know, to free speech, to, you know, whatever they want to do. You know, allegations which are baseless, which do not, you know, stand legal scrutiny, which are, you know, concocted, you know, imaginations of certain people and playing to the gallery and using rhetoric, I think that's extremely unfortunate and very unbecoming of a leader. So I think that there needs to be a certain sense of responsibility that needs to be generated among our leaders, not to throw around accusations and allegations and make threats about filing charge sheets and all. If you have the evidence, please go ahead. As I said, we live in a democratic country. Please go ahead. I mean, no need to play to the gallery. No need to, you know, just keep making threats. If they have it, please. It's a free country.